Hello everybody. So you guys might not know why I haven't been posting in so long, and that's because I just went on a very big trip. Well, I didn't just go, as you can see right here, the time. It's Monday, and my trip is on Tuesday going into Friday. So I thought I could make up a challenge for myself where I have to try to document my trip without shoving a camera in someone's face every 5 seconds. And I don't know if I've succeeded yet because, as I said, it's only Monday, we're leaving Tuesday. I'm pretty sure that I probably have done it, but let's just see right now, I don't know. Alright, 8 o'clock a.m. on Tuesday, and it's a very rainy morning. Birds are chirping and sun is not shining, but my face is shining. It's 9 o'clock and we're going out the door. Look at that, it's a big suitcase. Thank you. Look at that, we've got McDonald's. And he's blasting the Fortnite rap battle, sadly. Hey, we're in the airport. Oh my god. he's not approving. Okay, bye. And this is our gate. Beautiful, huh? We did it, Reddit. Yay, we're in the house! Woo! Hey, Vsauce, Aaron here. Here I have some apple pie. But what are apples? The answer? Oranges. I'm up. I'm gonna go to Laurent today. Yay! We're at Laurent! And my hair sucks. Alright, I had some Rubs barbecue for dinner. But if you look at this, this fits so perfectly in our fridge that we have. Look at this, guys. Oh my. Look at that perfect fit right in there. Go up closer. Okay, so I lost my phone for a little bit. We went to a big Ferris wheel. It was fun. Yeah, that's really good. Alright, I just woke up. It's Friday morning, and I am going to be going back out to the airport so I can fly back to Toronto. And we're back in the airport. That's where we were when we were in Toronto like 3 days ago. Oh, this lighting is great. Okay, there you go. We're in our car now. And there we go. That was my entire Montreal trip summarized in about a 4-minute video. If you like this, please like the video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. It would help out a lot. And yeah, I guess that's it. See you guys later.